welcome back to the channel. Today we are in a new location. We are sitting in my dining room. I've got my hair pulled back because today we are going to be carving a pumpkin. And not just any pumpkin. We are going to be attempting to carve a head pumpkin, like one that I can put on my head and take pictures in. This was a little bit harder than I thought it was gonna be now that I'm thinking through it, because normally you kind of like stab into the pumpkin this way to start gutting it, and I can't turn it on its head or I'm gonna break this. So this is gonna be a little bit interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting while I continue talking because I don't want this video to be an hour long. But yeah, so I'm a little bit worried about how this is gonna go, and I can't find my much better knife for this type of thing. So we are working with what we got. I don't know where my proper chopping knife is. This is like a bread knife, so hopefully I don't hurt myself in attempting to make this pumpkin head. So how are you guys doing? Maybe I should just give you guys a life update while I'm carving this pumpkin. I feel like we have to talk about something. Life is going great. LOL. If you watched yesterday's video, you know I had a meltdown because we didn't have any butter in the fridge. So that should be a testament to my current mental state. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, I can't really complain. Honestly, life has just been really busy. And sometimes that's a good thing, you know? And sometimes it's not the best thing. Right now, it's kind of busy, stressful, more so than busy, good. Work is just really crazy. And on top of that, no complaints, but my Etsy shop is going really well. So I can't be mad about it, but, you know, I'm the kind of person, I put a lot of pressure on myself. Whoa, look at all the pumpkin guts. Yummy. Yeah, I just put a lot of pressure on myself, and obviously I wanted to film 31 videos through October, and I'm still disappointed that I missed a couple days. I mean, that just really sucks, to be honest, because I really wanted to get a video up every single day this month, and I wasn't able to do that. So, but hopefully I'm able to finish strong and finish out videos for the rest of the month for you guys. One second, I need to go grab a big spoon. We're good to go. Anyways, so what was I talking about? Life. Oh, yeah, so life's just really crazy at the moment, which, you know, I can't complain. But it's just been a lot. I've been preparing for a really big conference for work. This is something that we spend a lot of time and money to prepare for. And it's my first time kind of taking the lead planning an event like this. So it's been crazy because it's one of those things where you're like, one, you're new to it, so you don't know all the ins and outs of everything, but two, come on, pumpkin guts. But two, it's also hard because I put a lot of pressure on myself and I don't want anything to go wrong and people be mad at me for something going wrong, so you know how it is. Let's talk Halloween though. Are you guys excited for Halloween this year? Please let me know in the comments below if you've got plans and what you're... Okay. And if what you're doing for Halloween this year. I'm actually headed out for this work conference on the 30th, which really stinks because my friends are actually throwing a Halloween party that's Harry Potter themed that night. And I can't go, so that really stinks. Shelby and Stone, if you're watching this. Miss you guys, missing your party. Adulting sucks. I really don't want to get my hands dirty, but sometimes With pumpkin butts, you gotta do it. I think the hardest part about carving a pumpkin that's going to go on top of my skull is making sure that it's big enough, because I got a big old head. And I was like, I literally have, so I have a bunch of pumpkins out on my porch. Go watch my porch transformation video if you haven't yet. And I have a bunch of pumpkins on my porch, and I was literally holding them up next to my head in the mirror, trying to decide which one would be optimal for a pumpkin head carving situation. Oh my God. Brendan is going to literally kill me when he comes downstairs, you guys. I should have done this outside, but you know what? It's still kind of hot in Georgia, and I didn't want to be sweating trying to carve this pumpkin, so. I would love to know, when you carve pumpkins, do you just throw away the guts, or do you have like a recipe that you normally make with them? I'm very curious. I definitely want to pull out the seeds and roast the seeds this year. I don't normally do that, but I actually, if you guys watch my refrigerator video, I really want to be better about not wasting food, because Brenda and I can be very wasteful, and cleaning out my fridge really was like kind of a wake-up call. So I don't just want to waste it, because obviously this is completely edible, nutritious food. So I would love to know if you guys have like a recipe, or like maybe you have a tradition. A coworker of mine has a pumpkin tradition where she literally fills a pumpkin up with like beef and vegetables and like roasts it for like hours in the oven. And I feel like that sounds really fun, but that wouldn't really work with my pumpkin head situation, because you need like a pumpkin that's not got pieces carved out of it for that. So, all right, you guys, we are gonna try this on and make sure it fits. No! Oh, this is so heavy. Okay. Okay, y'all, this is like a giant hole. This is like the entire, like, oh my gosh, okay. I really hope this fits. Yes! Oh my God, it fits! Oh, it doesn't come down far enough though. Dang it doesn't come down far enough. I'm gonna have to like cheat it, maybe. Ew. Now it's time to start planning my design, and you know what, you guys? I'm 100% winging it this year. I bought this pumpkin purse that I wore in Salem. Got a lot of compliments on it. And I am going to be carving the, I'm gonna be emulating that because it looks just like the like pumpkin head that Jack Skellington is wearing. A pumpkin seed just fell out of my hair onto my hand. Cool. I guess that's to be expected when I just put a pumpkin on my head. So I am just going to kind of do my best to make it look like that one. Oh, it looks like the Jack Skellington pumpkin head that he wears at the very, very beginning of Nightmare Before Christmas. And that's kind of what I wanted to do anyways, and it's hanging up. My purse that looks like that is hanging up on a coat rack a little bit right here behind the camera. And so I am just going to be following it for guidance. And other than that, winging it. So hopefully this goes well. I just realized that I have not put these at all where my eyes are gonna be. So hopefully I don't have any issues seeing. But now that I say that, I realize that I don't know that anyone really makes these where their actual eyes are. Like, I don't think anyone can see out of the pumpkin head, can they? Questions we need answered. One eye is done, so I'm just starting on the second eye. Sorry for all the crazy faces I make during this. I probably look like an actual experienced serial killer, like stabbing this pumpkin so viciously. Okay, you guys, we've got 2 eyes and a nose. I feel like I don't really want to show you guys because part of me is like, I want it to be a reveal. I don't know. I'm getting nervous about the mouth though. The mouth is much more complicated. I mean, the eyes and nose are basically just triangles that are facing different ways. The mouth is much more complicated. So I think I'm gonna try and like almost very lightly cut it with my knife before I go all in trying to cut it all the way through. I'm just gonna like almost like stencil it with my knife, if that makes sense. I'm gonna hold it kind of like a pencil. Don't do this at home. Do as I say, not as I do. Not too shabby so far, you guys. Okay, now just getting it to match on the other side. I feel like it's gonna be the hard part. Liddy freaking titty. Knife is like barely cutting into me. It's okay, we're almost done. Oh, I 100% did that the wrong way. Okay, let's try this again. Nope, 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 nope. What are we doing? What are we doing? Okay, we're going up here. Oh my god. Okay, it's a little uneven on this side. Okay, well one side is gonna look way better than the other, and that's fine. It is what it is. All right, let's get to actually carving. Now that we've got our marks. It also makes it easier to cut when you've got super gentle cut marks, because it like kind of naturally guides your knife for you. Do you guys get like secondhand nervousness from watching me be so ruthless with this knife? I feel like whenever I'm watching other people do dangerous things, it gives me like secondhand anxiety. And that's actually one of the reasons that I don't enjoy going to the circus, is because I literally just get anxious for the people doing their act. Granted, I know that they're professionals and they've probably done this a million times, but it just makes me nervous. So I'm sorry if this video triggers some anxiety for you. I feel you. This mouth is looking a little jank, I'm not gonna lie. But I didn't say that you were coming here for a tutorial or to learn how to professionally carve a pumpkin, so this was more so my way of doing a spooky thing with some online friends. You know what would be really fun is if you got a pumpkin out and carved with me. Just saying. I guess I should have said that at the beginning of the video though, to give you time to go grab a pumpkin. Sorry. You snooze, you lose. Okay, now that the mouth is totally finished, it does not look terrible. It could be worse. Is it the best mouth? Is it the most accurate to my bag / Jack's in the beginning of the film? No, definitely not. But it is not that bad. Okay. So much pumpkin. Oh no, you guys are seeing it. Dang it. Crap, I didn't want you guys to see it until the end. Poop. It's okay. It's not that big of a deal. But, yeah, I think I'm done, question mark. And I kind of love how it looked. Now the real question is if it's gonna look stupid or cute on my head. So here's the big reveal. Ta-da! I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? The only thing is I realize is that for pumpkin head antics, I don't know the word that I'm thinking of, I feel like it's better for it to not have big gaping holes because I feel like you don't want to see your face through it that much. But oh my god, how does this look stupid? I can't see anything. Oh, I can kind of see through this right here. I hate that my chin sticks out. That's so embarrassing. I should have picked a bigger pumpkin. Part of me thinks if I can carve a little bit more out of like the top of the pumpkin, maybe my head will go in further. This is not really getting me anywhere. I mean, a little bit's coming off, but not enough to make it. Okay, let's see. Is this better? A little bit. Oh my gosh, okay, I was able to like get my chin inside the hole. Wow. Oh my god, this is so funny. Okay, wait, we need a thumbnail. Is that funny? Is that a good thumbnail? Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm dead. I wish I could see out of this better. See, I don't like how you can like see my mouth. Like I feel like that looks kind of jank, but it's fine. It is what it is. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and hit that big red subscribe button down below to come hang out with me more on the channel every single day for the rest of October. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. This was fun. I feel so goofy but so spooky right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a great rest of the day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Oh my god. Oh, I can't get out. Oh, okay, no, never mind, we're good.